my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you did enjoy this video, hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you get notified each time I post a new video if that's something that you guys are interested in. And don't forget, if you would like to follow my social media accounts, they will be listed in the description box below. So today we're up close and personal, guys. That's because if you guys if you guys saw my last video, my last upload, I did a Dollar Tree haul on a bunch of makeup products. So today we're going to be slapping on those makeup products on my face. So let's get this thing started. My eyebrows are already done. I did those off camera. All right, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and prime. And for that, I'm going to be using a couple products in this that I'm going to put on my face. I have all the products in front of me, by the way. This primer, this is from Shop Miss A. This was $1, so I felt it okay to include it in this video. This is from Shop Miss A. This is called the AOA Wonder Skin. This is their illuminating primer. And then another product that I'm using, this is actually from Walmart. I don't know how much this costs, but I know it's very affordable because I don't buy expensive products. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. This is in the color, it says right here 161 Nude. So I'm guessing that's what the color is. But yeah, we're using this and this. These two are not from the Dollar Tree. Oops. These two products are not from the Dollar Tree, okay? So I'm gonna start off with the primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face to give us a nice little base to put the foundation on. You guys, I'm very excited about this video. I'm really excited to see how this makeup is going to turn out. You know, in Dollar Tree, you can't really swatch anything to see if it's your, right shade. Most of the time, the color that's shown on the box, even looking at the product, is not always the color that shows up on your skin. So I think that's what makes it fun, but, kind of unpredictable at the same time. When using these Dollar Tree products. Now the next thing we're going to go in with is the foundation. Now this I am excited about. I did actually take it out of the case already because I wanted to see what it looked like. I was excited. So this is actually the case that it comes in. Is the Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Cushion Foundation in the shade Tawny 122B Tawny. So this is what I'll be using today. When you first see the packaging, it's very cute, you guys. It's really cute. So you just pretty much pop it open. It has a little mirror. I haven't taken the plastic piece off. And then it comes with this little pad here. So you can take this out. And then this is what the makeup looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and pat some of this on out. Then we're gonna apply it to the face. Maybe I should get my mirror, huh? So I can see what I'm doing. Just gonna apply this to my face. And also this mirror that I got is from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna start by just patting it all in my skin. This is definitely not my color, you guys. Now I'm just gonna take this, and also the brushes I'm using are not from Dollar Tree as well. These are actually from Shop Miss A, so these were actually pretty cheap as well. So I'm gonna use this flat stipple brush, I cannot speak. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out even further. Don't forget the neck. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. And that's what it would look like. I'm going to take this damp little blender sponge, that's what they call it. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out even further, just to make sure we're nice and blend it out. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and with the concealer that I showed you guys earlier, I'm gonna apply that under my eyes, a little on my forehead, a little down my nose. Just a little bit. I don't like to do too much with concealer. Please don't mind my faces right now. I make the weirdest faces when I do my makeup. Just a little bit down the nose, just that much. And then what I'm actually gonna do, just to see how it works, I'm gonna actually take the other side of this blender sponge, and I'm gonna blend out this concealer. This is picking up all of the product that I put down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just add a tiny bit more. And I'm gonna blend that out with this little brush here. Don't really know if this is for blending out concealer, but hey, I use whatever brush works, and that one seems to work. So I'm just gonna add a tad bit more, just a little bit, just so I can get just a little bit of highlight, because just a little bit. Because I feel like that picked up all of my concealer. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that rain outside. It's pouring down. There's nothing I can really do about it. I already started recording the video, so hey. Alright, now that I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, we're gonna go ahead and set my face. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with, where is it? I'm using this e.l.f. powder here. Don't ask me where the top is. I don't know. It just disappeared and now I can't find it anywhere. So I'm gonna first take this. I'm gonna take it on the back. Just dumping it right in there. Take it on the back of this sponge. I should use my mirror, huh? And I'm just gonna apply it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna take this. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know if this is a new brand that Dollar Tree has. It's called Beauty Benefits. This is the pressed powder. They have like a whole line. This is the pressed powder, and this is in the color Cocoa. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take this little brush here, and I'm gonna dab into this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set all the places that I put a foundation. This seems to be my shade. Next step is to go in with a little contour. So this is also by the Beauty Benefits brand. This is their contour palette, and this is in the shade Biscotti. This looks just like the pressed powder. It's the same exact packaging. We're gonna take this darker shade here just to see how that looks on the skin, and I'm gonna take that same exact brush I used to set my face to apply this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, this may be a little too dark for me now that I'm looking at it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm not trying to do too much, just wanna give my face some color. Go ahead and get the other side. So like something like that, where it's like, yeah, I see some cheekbone action. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like looking real patchy. Yeah. That's okay. The show must go on. What do we want to do next? A blush. This is from the same brand, Beauty Benefits. This is in the color Jam. Got this blush here. Go ahead and open this up. Open this up. The same brush. Yes. That looks like a lot. I hope it's not a lot. Tread lightly. Don't want to do too much. Don't want to do too much. Nose. Just gonna put this everywhere, huh? You guys see that? Guess we'll find out when I edit this video. Alright, I got this Beauty Benefits. It's called Glow with the Flow. It says bra. We have to check this one out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with this brush here. Just like an angled brush. I'm gonna tap into this. I don't really want to do too much. Tread lightly with new makeup because you don't know how it's gonna act. Oh, that's actually, hold on. Oh, you don't see that? There's the angle. There it is. Now you guys can see it. All right. Take just a little bit of this and I'm just going to highlight my nose. Say a little bit and then I go ham. All right. What's next? I haven't done makeup in so long. I forgot what to do. Okay. You know what we can do next? We can go ahead and set the face. Yes, I said set the face. So Dollar General, why do I keep wanting to call it Dollar General? I don't know. Dollar Tree has this setting spray. It's by LA Colors. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see how it sprays out. Don't wanna, ooh, that's a little powerful. Okay, let's go ahead and ooh. You know, people, they usually put on their setting spray and then apply their highlight. I'm backwards, and I'm okay with that. Now, what we're gonna go in with is some mascara. Now I have two different options here. They're both by Beauty Benefits. We have one here, it's called Va Va Voom. This says it helps build volume for fuller looking lashes. And this one is the volumizing mascara. This doesn't say what it does. Okay, what the heck? We could try one on one eye, one on the other. Let's do that. Let's do that. We're gonna do that. So we give them both a fair try. Gonna open both of these up. So on this eye, we're gonna use the Va Va Voom. This eye, we're gonna use the volumizing mascara. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and apply the volumizing mascara to the other eye. And this is the volumizing mascara. How we looking? Let me know. Alright, now for the exciting part, the lips. So I got, to start off, I got this lip pencil here. There's two that come in the pack. Looks like there's a darker shade and a lighter shade. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. These are what they look like. I think I may want to go with the darker shade to line my lips. You can see a little something, huh? Alright, I got two different lipsticks. And I also got a gloss. So these are the two lipsticks. This one I got, this color, this is the color Mauve. And then this one I got, this is in the color Cherry. And then I also got this lip gloss. This is called So Lit. I don't know. I think I might just want to go with the red just cause I got it from the Dollar Tree and I want to try it. The packaging is very tiny. This is my hand. This is the product. And I'm doing a bold lip with a simple eye. You know what this feels like? Feels like I put, smells like it too, like grease or Vaseline on my lips with just a red coloring to it. This smells just like Vaseline. Not just like grease. It smells just like grease. Hey, can't say it's not moisturizing to your lips though. Can't say that. Look how shiny it is. Looks like I put like a red gloss or something on. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I ended up taking off that red lipstick and just putting on the liner with the gloss, and I guess it looks okay. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below in the comment section. Did I do good? Let me know. Does it look okay? Let me know. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys.